Hi, this is DC Scrap and Rooster. Okay, I'm just gonna get right into it. Here's kit number 1. Hope everybody's doing well. Okay. I'm all over the place today. Okay, so this is the first kit. Look how pretty that is. Okay, a nice size. Okay. Well, let me leave it open. Okay, and then I added this here. Pretty. Look how gorgeous that is. That's so pretty. Love the colors. Okay. Put this aside. And then what I added to that was, okay, let me do it like this. Have some more of the doily pieces. Okay. This one here. This one here, which is a little bit darker. This one here. This round doily. This doily. A 2. Okay. Put this aside here. Then you have this here, and that's a yard. Add some green to go with that. Okay, got this one here, which is the velvet. Got a yard of that. You got the blue velvet, because this has a little blue in it. So I'm trying to match this here. Okay, this one here, also a yard. This one came undone, also a yard. Oops. Okay, this one here, this trim, pretty. This one here. Oh, this one here that also came undone. You guys seen this one before. Okay, then you have this here. Okay, and this is about 12 inches. Pretty, look how pretty. Okay. Love the colors. Okay. Then you have these 2 here. You have these 2 here. You have this one here. You have these 2. You have these pieces here. 2 pieces here. You have these charms. Not charms, but you know what I mean. These are the charms. With these here. You have this little butterfly, or angel rather, not butterfly. There's 2 chips here, the wooden chips, and they're handmade. It says handmade. Handmade just for you. You got 2 of the birds, and I have 4 of these kits, and two are the yellow, or the light cream, and 2 blues. Okay, and you get this here. Cute little bouquet. So there's this flower here, this one back here, the 2 green ones, a light blue, and these blues. Okay, so you get that little here, and then you get a little cherub. Okay, and this kit is 38. Okay, that's kit number 1. This is kit number 2. Kit number 2 is small. Okay, but still very pretty. Okay. Okay, that one, and it's I believe 15 by 20, I think, or maybe 20 by 20. I don't remember. Let me just count. Let me see. I don't even know where my ruler is. But it's pretty big. I think it's 20 by 20 or 15 by 20. I don't know. I don't remember. Okay, that one there. You got, let me see. Let me go. This one here, which is almost like a light pink, pinkish color. Get this one here. Get this one here. You get an eyelet. Get this one here. And you get this one here. I'm doing it in the evening, so the lighting is totally different. Okay, it's not bad. At least you can still see it. Okay, then as far as these are ribbons, so you get this one here, which is really nice. The green, the gold, and the cream. Pretty. Okay, so you get that there. You get this one here. Beautiful pom-poms with the pink tangles. So it's the mauve and the green, which matches that. Pretty. I love the pom-poms. Oh my god, they're so cute. Okay, there's this one there. Then you get these. Okay. Okay, to go along with that. Okay, and this one is 18. Okay, that's kit number 2. Okay, then I have doing a little variety of everything. Then I have the small doilies in a pack. Okay, leave that there, and I'm going to show it to you. Okay. There's 2 of those. Two of those. Two of those. 2 of those. 2 of those. Look how pretty. Oops, I dropped one. 2 of those. Get one of these. One of these. One of these. And one of these. And this pack is $5.50. Okay, and that's how it comes. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 18. Okay. Then I have these little jewelry packs. little heart. Get this little charm. It's like a little house. To down, the door opens. Okay. That's here. The little charms, pretty. You get the wings here, different wings, and you get these charms, which I showed. One of the kids that has a couple of these. Okay, and these are $8. It says 10, but they're $8. Okay, and for this one, let me see. Oh, let me go back to the kits. The first kit that I showed, which was this one. This one here is $38. Okay, and I have 4 of these. Let me just make sure I have 4. 1, 2. I have 3 of these. I'm sorry. I have 3 of these. 3 of these. And then the second one, which is 18, I have 4 of these. Okay. The doilies, I have a few, so I'm not worried about them. I have them already packed. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 available, but I can make a few more. Okay. This first, the doily pieces, I have 3 of these. Okay, and I'll put them in the description box in order. Okay. This is number 2. Oh, wait, I have one that's open. I have one that's open. Okay, I have 2 of these. 2 of this one. So I got this one here. Charm. You got 2 of these. You have this pack here. And like I said, there's two of these packs. Here. This is cute. These here. And then you have this here. Okay, and these are $10. So there's 2 of these. 2 of the first one. And then 1, 2, 3. And then I have 4 of these. And this one is $10. So just the first one was 8. Okay, so this is another little lock, but this one's in the bronze color, and the door opens. This is a little bird cage with a bow on it. Okay. This is key and a couple of locks. Oh, this one's cute. This is a little bird, baby bird. That's cute. This one comes out here. That's cute. And one of these. Okay. Okay, and then what else? Oh, and then I have these here. Okay, this is $3.25. These are all acrylic. So you get these 2. These. Pretty. And these. Okay. And there's only 3 of these. I like that green one. Look at that green one, so pretty. Okay, then I have, okay, I only have 3 of those that I just showed. And then this one here, let me see. I have a few of these, not many. Like, say I have like maybe 10 of one and 5 of another. But these are the tiny, tiny little blue flowers. These are, oh my god, this is so cute. Okay. Can you see that? Okay, and there's 20 in a package and they're $1.50. So I got the blue. I got the tiny green. I think there's a 6mm. I could be wrong because they look kind of small to me. Okay, I get the pink. And I have the white. Okay, and these are $1.50 each. And then I have, and these also, I have a few. And these are also $1.50. These are the tiny little flowers with the bling in the middle. And these are 10 inside. You can see. Okay, so I got the blue. I got the purple. I got the pink. I got the green. And I got the cream or the white. Okay. And these are also $1.50 and there's 10 in a package. And that is it for now. I will put everything in the description box. And first come, first serve. I will put, also email me. I'll put that in the description box. Like I said, first come, first serve. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye and thank you for watching.